morning, students. Yesterday in the previous class in mass spectroscopy we already discussed about types of peaks, molecular ion peak. Now the topic is fragmentation peak. What is the second one? Fragmentation peak. So what is fragment? We know what is the fragmentation fragment. సో మాలిక్యులర్ అయాన్లో కోవలెంట్ బాండ్స్ క్లీవేజ్ జరిగి వచ్చేవే ఫ్రాగ్మెంట్స్, దాన్నే ఫ్రాగ్మెంటేషన్ అంటాం. ఆ పీక్స్నే ఫ్రాగ్మెంటేషన్ పీక్స్ అని కూడా చెప్పచ్చు. సో హియర్ క్లీవేజ్ ఆఫ్ కోవలెంట్ బాండ్స్ ఇన్ మాలిక్యులర్ అయాన్ ఇన్ టు ఫార్మ్ new species, that is cationic, is called of fragments. This phenomena is known as fragmentation. We know this already. So cleavage of covalent bonds in molecular ion to form new species, that is cationic, is called fragments. This phenomenon is called fragmentation. What is that? Fragmentation. This matter we already well known. Okay, but mass spectroscopy can recognize it only fragment peaks. We know very well this is also. What is that? But in mass spectrometry or mass spectroscopy can recognize it only positive charged fragments. So fragmentation peaks is also known as daughter ion peaks. These are appeared left side of the molecular ion in mass spectrum. ఇవి ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తాయి అంటే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్లో కనిపిస్తాయి. మాలిక్యులర్ అయాన్కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్లో ఉంటాయి మాస్ స్పెక్ట్రంలో. సో ఫ్రాగ్మెంటేషన్ పీక్స్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో known as daughter ion peak, and these are appeared left side of molecular ion in mass spectrum or mass spectroscopy. Left side of molecular ion in mass spectrum. I'll give an example. We already discussing the benzene. So example, here we can take benzene. What is the MZ value? Yesterday we have discussed that MZ value benzene is 78. So it is bombarded with 70 electron volts, loss of 1 electron. It gives molecular ion. So benzene molecular ion is like this. After next it loses 1 proton. So it can convert benzonium cation or phenyl cation like this. This is phenyl cation. After next in this loss of C2H2 ethylene, so it gives a cyclobutadienyl cation. This name is cyclobutadienyl cation. This is also one fragment. This MZ value is loss of 1 proton, means 78 minus 1 77. After next this MZ value cyclobutadienyl cation MZ value is 51, I think. C4H5, not 4, C4H3. This formula is C4H3. Okay, C6H5. Okay, C4H3. How many carbons here? 4 carbons. 4 into 12 48 plus 3 51. So its embedded value is 51. So we write all MZ values. This is sample molecule or molecular ion. After next, this is one fragment, this is another fragment. These are all MZ values in this fragmentation. So we write here mass spectrum. So here relative abundance on y-axis taken, x-axis MZ values. Okay, so here I'll write first of all molecular ion 78. This is molecular ion. 77 is like this. This is 77 fragment peak, 77, 78, 51 is also here. For example, 51 is here, 0 to more. So 51. This is 77 fragment. Okay, this is the representation of fragmentation peaks. Okay. Left side of molecular ion, fragmentation peaks are left side of molecular ion. So this is about that. And next, isotopic peaks. What is that? Isotopic peaks. Isotopic peaks. So first of all we have to see heavier isotopes. We know isotopic ions, we know heavier isotope peaks or high mass isotopes is known as isotopic peaks. There are appeared at right side of the molecular ion isotopic peaks. So m+1 or m+2, we denote isotopic peaks as m+1 and m+2. Its mass 1,2 units are more than molecular ion. Molecular ion కంటే 1 or 2 ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది అనమాట మాస్ ఫర్ ఐసోటోపిక్ పీక్స్కి. సో ఈ ఐసోటోపిక్ అయాన్స్ గురించి కూడా మనం ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కషన్ చేసాం, ఐసోటోపిక్ అయాన్స్ గురించి కూడా. సో సీ హియర్ heavier isotope peak are high mass isotopes is known as isotopic peaks. There are appeared at right side of molecular ion. So isotopic peaks are m+1, m+2. Its mass 1,2 units more than molecular ion. వాటి యొక్క మాస్ 1,2 units molecular ion కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ CO means C12O16. Total how much carbonyl compound? So MZ value is 28. For example, we can take this CO C13O16. For example, here MZ value is 29. So this is molecular ion. For example, this is m+1 peak. Okay, this is isotopic peak. This is isotopic ion. This is isotopic peak also. Okay, I'll write another example for this. So here we can take ethylamine CH3 CH2 NH2. This is ethylamine. For example, normal C12 mass we can take here. So MZ value is 45. For example, it taken as molecular ion. For example, here we can take CH3 CH2 NH2. This is C13 mass, this has C12 mass. Then its MZ value is 46. So this is m+1. This is molecular ion. One is higher than this, so m+1 peak. This is, for example, this CH3 CH2 NH2 both are having C13 mass. So it is also, its MZ value is 47. That means it is m+2 peak. Okay, it is m+2 peak. These are isotopic peaks like this. This is molecular ion, this is m+1, m+2 is called isotopic ions. These peaks are denoted isotopic peaks. This is about fragmentation peaks and isotopic peaks. A small base peak is also there. So base peak is nothing but more intensity or 100% relative abundance peaks in mass spectrum is called base peak. Sometimes molecular ion may be base peak or may not be base peak. I'll write here the definition only. See here girls, fourth one is base peak. I'll write just a definition. బేస్ పీక్ యొక్క డెఫినేషన్ మాత్రమే రాస్తున్నాను. మనకి బేస్ పీక్ అనేది చూడండి, మోర్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆర్ 100% రిలేటివ్ అబాండెన్స్. 100% రిలేటివ్ అబాండెన్స్. మోర్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ అన్న ఉండాలి అన్నిటికంటే ఎక్కువగా, లేదా 100% రిలేటివ్ అబాండెన్స్ అన్న ఉండాలి. దట్ పీక్స్ ఇన్ మాస్ స్పెక్ట్రమ్ called base peak. Sometimes what is that? Sometimes molecular ion is maybe base peak or may not be base peak. So these all are peaks: molecular ion peak, fragmentation peak, isotopic peak and base peak. వీటిని ఇవి ఎలా వస్తాయంటే ఇలా వస్తాయండి. వీటిని ఎలా రిప్రజెంటేషన్ చేస్తామంటే మనం ఆల్రెడీ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ స్పెక్ట్రమ్లో వీటిని చూసేసాం. ఓకే.